Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 3 minutes. Very quickly, when I say live, what I mean is that I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So if you are looking for a video where somebody's doing a trade recap or talking to you and doing analysis with hindsight in their favor, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, raw look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll find value here in the video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at the open. Okay, watching 216 for a short, in at 216. And let's see if this thing wants to make a move down to the downside here. Let's see if we can get down through 215. That'd be a great break. There we go. Took off half. Looking for another move to the downside though. Took off another half. At this point I want to see if we can get down to the 214 mark. There we go. Trying to let it work a little bit more for me. There's the bounce maybe. So all out there for a $463 trade. It is 9:31. I guess we can get the actual timestamps. Let me bring up the marker here. And I'll show you what I mean. Oh, wow, kept going down. Well, that's all hindsight. But right there you can see, got in at 9:30 and 34 seconds, got out at 9:31 and 30 seconds. So a 56-second trade and made $463 with commissions. Let's just call it $460. And that's a quick start to the day. I mean, the markets almost feel like a scam in some senses when you see that. Fantastic move there. All right, let me look around and I'll see what else I can find. So the question at this point becomes, would I go up to somebody that's making, and let's not even do minimum wage. Let's say, would I go up to somebody that makes 25 bucks an hour? Would I go up to somebody that makes 25 bucks an hour and say, you know, I made 460 bucks in, 60 seconds and I'm not very happy about it. I would not do that, right? That would make me sound like the most detached and greedy person ever. And I bring that up as a trick that I use all the time with myself, and I'd encourage you to use it because it's easy to look around social media and see some really, really big numbers. And I could see people saying 460 bucks, that's nothing. Like I saw so-and-so make way more than that. And for that person, fantastic, good for them. But really, let's not lose perspective. Would you go up to somebody making 25 bucks an hour and complain about making 460 bucks in a minute? I personally wouldn't. I don't think you would either. So from that point of view, I'm more than happy with that, and I'm going to call it good. And as for you beginners and new people to the channel, this is one of, I believe in multiple streams of income. So yeah, day trading is one of my streams of income. I'd call it a side hustle because I think you should have a diversification of income streams. And I do trading now, not because I want the Lamborghini or the private jet or the Malibu mansion. Now, if you want those things, then go for it. I hope you get it. But for me, I just want the freedom of time. And if I can put 460 bucks in my pocket in a minute, then I'm going to be more than happy with that. And I'm not going to let social media glitz and glamour distract me and make me think that somehow that's like a mediocre result. No, that's actually a crazy good result when you build things, in a perspective type of way. So not to mention this action here on Tesla, it's kind of scary, straight down and then straight back up. I mean, it seems to be a little bit bipolar today. But anyways, that's all I have for you. One trade. Trade lasted, as you saw, 56 seconds to be exact. Put 460 bucks in my pocket. I'm going to take it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy these, hit that like button, leave a comment below. And if you have not yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.